How to find my Weverse membership number. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can find your Weverse membership number, which is also known as your membership order number or membership code. So to do that, you need to open your Weverse application. Now once you're there, log into your account and then tap on the shop icon, which is between the home and DM option in the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the home page, tap on the more icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on order history, that is between my collection and event entries. Here you will see the list of your orders. So find the order for your membership. For example, any artist membership, tap on that order and you will see your membership number, your purchase date, and the membership validity period as well. Your membership number is also typically displayed on the order confirmation screen and in the order details. Now, when you have purchased your membership, Weverse shop should have sent you a confirmation email, and this email usually includes your order number, membership number, and information on how to claim your digital membership benefits. So your membership number may be required to access exclusive content, events, or pre-orders. And it might also be linked to your Weverse account, allowing you to access benefits automatically when you're logged in. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.